Hi, I'm Sherwin. This tutorial is for the dance She's a Natural, choreographed by my friend Jono Lieberman. Shout out to Jono. It's a great beginner dance, 4 walls, 32 counts. It does have one very simple tag that's very easy to hear. It has a few variations that you can add if you want to make it a little bit more of a high beginner. So we'll teach you the basic choreo, and then I'll show you where some of those variations come in, and you can add them if you would like to. Okay, so I'm going to turn around. The dance starts on a diagonal. So if this is 12 o'clock, we're going to be going towards 10:30. You take your right foot and do a shuffle or a triple to the front. Right, right, and then another one. Left, right, left. Jazz box to bring us back to 12 o'clock. Take your right foot over on a cross, 1. Back it up. Actually, that was 5. This is 6. Right foot back to 12 o'clock, 7. And your left foot will come over on 8 to get you weighted on your left foot. To the corner, the right foot goes cha, 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 left foot, cha, 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 going 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the step sheet says that a basic shuffle, but you can also modify that if you'd like and make that a lock step. So if you prefer on your triple to go step, lock, step, step, lock, step, on this dance, that is perfectly fine. Dancer's choice on that, okay? All right, let's go to the second count of 8. So you finished on your left foot. Step to the right and tap your left foot next to it. Left, tap right. Take 2 steps back, bringing your left foot in, step together, and hip sways go right and left. The counts on that are 1, tap, 2, 3 and 4, back and 5, together 6, 7, 8. Third count of 8 is a Lindy step, which is a side chassé, step, together, step, and a rock recover on a slight angle, back, recover, and then a left one. Side, together, side, rock, recover. That combination of the side shuffles or chassés and the rock recover, as I said, is called a Lindy. And then we'll do that with counts. We have 1 and 2, rocking 3, 4, 5 and 6, rocking 7, 8. I'm going to go back to the beginning and just add that in. 5, 6, 7, corner, 8. Go right, left, right, left. Jazz chord to 12 o'clock, 7 and 8. Step and tap, count 2, 3 and 4. Go 5, 6, hip 7, Lindy right, go 1 and 2, rock 3, 4 and 5 and 6, back 7, 8. Now you'll notice when you finish this third count of 8, your body's kind of naturally already angled to this corner. That's where we're going to be headed, but we're going to do toe struts. Instead of stepping straight ahead, take that right foot and step it out a little bit, so you're kind of going almost to the side, toe, strut, and then you start to angle it forward, toe, strut, and that foot goes forward, maybe even a little bit over. And then right here we do a very simple rocking chair, forward right, back, right, back. Now that's the end of the dance, and this is your new wall, and you're already set up for your corner, yeah? So let's go over that last count of 8. We just finished our Lindy, so we have our right foot free. We're slightly angled. Right foot goes toe strut, slightly out. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, rocking 5, 6, 7, and we start the dance here. Let's do it. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, box 5, 6, 7, side touch 1, 2, 3, 4, back at 5, 6, and go 7, 8, triple 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this corner, toe strut, rocking chair. It sets you up so you're at the 6 o'clock wall working on that corner. Okay? Real simple, but if you want to spice it up a little bit, there's a couple things you can do to make it just a little bit harder. First thing you can do is on the rocking chair, instead of just doing it in place, you can make that a pivot turn. So on that last count of 8, after I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, I normally do 5, 6, 7, 8. I can turn over my left shoulder and step right, left, right, left. And then I'm still in the same spot. So you can add that or not. When I dance it, sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, just to change it up a little bit, okay? That's one spot. There's another really interesting place where the music changes, and it comes after the singer says 3 times in the songs, blow your mind, and then the music changes slightly. It's for the part of the choreography where you go step, touch on the second count of 8. And after he says, blow your mind, and the music goes ba-dum, ba-dum. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, you can do and 1 and 3, and then everything else is the same. You don't have to, but it's kind of fun to hit it with the music. It happens 3 times. And you'll hear it. I hope I get the walls right. It happens at wall 3, and then it happens at wall 7, so it's back here again, and then I believe it's wall 9. But it's really, really easy to hear. You hear blow your mind, ba-dum, ba-dum. If you don't want to do that, and you just want to go simple here, that's totally fine, okay? Last thing is that there is one simple tag. Very easy to hear because the singer actually stops singing and just talks. And it happens at wall 7 when you finish wall 7 before you start wall 8. So you'll have been at this corner, because this will be wall 8, right? And you'll have just finished your rocking chair or your pivot. And the tag, while the singer is talking, is just a triple forward, chassé forward, rock, recover, chassé back, rock, recover, and then you start the dance again, okay? So that just goes, let me try that again, sorry. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and then you start the triple to start the dance, and that's your new wall. That is the easy tag, and if you want to modify that and just make it a little harder, you can turn it. So instead of just going straight ahead, I'm going to go forward. I'm going to take my right foot forward, 1, let me sure I'm on the correct foot, yeah? Right, left, half, turn, left, rock, recover, okay? So either one of those, totally fine. You'll hear it. It is a talking tag, if you will, and then you start the dance again. So it sounds like a whole lot of stuff. You don't have to do any of this stuff. You can keep it nice and simple, or you can play with it and have fun, okay? So let's try this with some music, see what goes on.
She looks like an angel, she knows what God gave her. It's not every day you see something like that. And I'm feeling thankful the drug
It's called Natural by Sherwin. Here we go. Corner, shuffle. Down square. 7 half 2 times. Step together back. Lindy. Toe strut. Rocking chair. Start again. Here we go. Shuffle. Raise in here. And step tap 2 times. Back it up. Lindy.
You ready? But she can put a time on, and I won't.
Start again. Here, listen. Blow your mind with tap. There you got it.
Country girl.
It's talking. Toe strut. I'm gonna turn it.
Country girl. No, you're the baddest.
Jazz square.
Ain't nothing that is.
Step tap.
She don't got the catfish, 'cause she a whole catch. She ring with the stick, she can go big.
Corner.
Home with the thickness, I know the difference. She's a girl on the phone, so fully loaded, ready to roll. She's a blue jean, Broadway singer with a green grass roll.
I'm gonna turn this way. See it? Here we go again. Step tap.
She gets the night up, she dips and gives off southern intensity. I'm but she can put a time on, and I
Now listen, you're gonna hear it again. Just blow your mind.
she does it.
Change your rhythm here.
She's a natural, back it up, country girl.
Corner tap.
Country girl.
Now,
Hold on, we
here
might need to run that back one more
is
time.
the tag. Got it?
She feels like a daddy. me, girl.
Woo! All right. We did it. That's a really fun, nice, simple beginner dance. And once again, you can spice it up a little bit. I appreciate you guys all tuning in here to take this tutorial. Spread the word, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and please feel free to share this. I teach in Los Angeles for Borderline, and I will see you on the dance floor. Thanks again.